Hello students, how are you all? Students, welcome to my channel Learn Maths and Science with Sonia. Students, if you are new to my channel, do like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Students, basically I am going to discuss the topic of subtraction of like and unlike fractions, because in the previous video I have discussed the addition of like and unlike fractions. But here I am going to start with the addition, recap of addition. I am going to discuss the topic of subtraction, but I am going to give the recap of addition. Okay, addition of fractions. So I am going to write one question related to the addition of fraction, that is 4 by 5 plus 6 by 7 plus 1 by 2. So this question is related to the count down 5, exercise 3A, page number 42. Page number 42. Question number 4, part E. Question number 4, part E. So students, here we are going to deal with 3 fractions. So the solution is, write the question again, 4 by 5 plus 6 by 7 plus 1 by 2. Students, we have dealt with the 2 fractions. Now we are going to deal with the 3 fractions. Here we have given the prime numbers. 5 did not come in the table of 7, 7 did not come in the table of 2, and 2 doesn't come in the table of 5 and 7, and so on. So students, we have to find out the LCM. This is the LCM. Basically, you have to do the rough work aside like this. This is the rough work. And you have to find out the LCM. LCM of denominator. Why we are going to find out the LCM? Because we have to make the denominator same. Okay. To convert these unlike fractions into like fraction. 5, 7, 2. So students, these are prime numbers, so you can divide it like this. We have already find out the LCM by division method, so you can watch my previous video to clear the concept related to the LCM by division. So LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 2 5s are 10. Multiplied by 7, it is 70. So students, whenever you look at the fractions given, both 3, 4, 5, so you have to make the denominator same first, and for making the denominator same you have to take the LCM, okay, for more than 2 fractions. So we have found out the LCM 70. 5 comes 70 in the table of 5. So you have to divide 70 with 5. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. So here we have 14 times 5 is 70. So we have to multiply this with 14. Okay. Now where comes 70? In the table of 7. 10 times you have to multiply both the denominator and numerator with the same number, okay, to make the denominator same. Where comes 70 in the table of 2? So we have to divide it with 2. 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 5s are, this 0 comes down, then 2 5s are 10. So 35 times, okay. So students, Now 14 times 4. You have to do the rough work aside for each and everything. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 and plus 5. Okay, so it is 56 over 70 plus 60 over 70 plus 35 over 70. So students, I am very happy to see that we have converted these fractions into like fractions. Now, these are the like fractions and write the denominator one time. 56 plus 60 plus 35. Okay students, now add these numbers. Beta, if you do the rough work of each and everything, then this shows that your concept is crystal clear. So 1, 11, 1 is the carry, 12, 12 plus 3 is 50. So the answer is 151 by 70. Beta, we have already discussed that if the numerator is greater than the denominator, then we have to convert it into proper fraction because it is improper fraction. So improper fraction always leads us to the compound fraction or mixed fraction. So we will convert it into mixed fraction. This is not the answer, okay, because numerator is greater than the denominator. So we have to convert it into the proper fraction, and for proper fraction we go to the mixed fraction. Okay, so 151 over 70. So students, hope so this rough work is done. I am going to erase it and I am going to convert this into mixed fraction. Okay, now 70 times 2 is 140. Okay, now 70 and 2 and 11. No need to convert it into decimal because the question is given in fraction, so we have to give answer in fraction. Okay, so the we have left with the remainder. Now circle, you have to move the circle like this, from the quotient to the remainder to the divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. So 2 whole, 2 is the whole number. Okay, 2 whole, then you have to draw a line in the middle of 2 like this, 11 over 70. Now the numerator is lesser than the denominator and we have separate the whole number. So 2 whole 11 over 70. Look at the circle. 2 whole 11 over 70. 2 whole number 11 over 70. So it is the answer. 2 whole number 11 over 70. Hope so students, this concept is clear. So students, we have done with the recap of addition. Now we are going to discuss the subtraction of like and unlike fractions. Okay, so new topic is subtraction of fractions. Okay, so question is let's suppose 4 by 10 minus 2 by 10. Okay, so the solution, this is the question related to like fractions. We have the same denominator and we can write the denominator one time. If the denominator is same, we can write the numerator as it. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 10. Okay. So students, we have done with the subtraction of like fractions. So 2 by 10. Is there anything common in 2 and 10? Yes. 2 comes in the table of 2 and 10 also come in the table of 2. So we can divide both these numbers with 2. Like we have multiplied the same number with the denominator and numerator. Same is the case when there is common in the numerator and denominator. We have to divide it with the common number. Okay, the compulsion is the one thing must be common. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So we are left with 1 by 5. So students, hope so this process is crystal clear. Now we are going to discuss another sum. Another sum, that is 9 by 20 minus 1 by 4. Students, this question is related to unlike fraction. Okay, as you can see the denominator is different. So convert this denominator in the like fraction. 20 and 4. Where comes 20 in the table of 4? Is there anything common between 4 and 20? Yes. 20 comes in the table of 4. So we have to convert this 4 into 20. How? We will multiply it with 5. When we multiply the denominator, then we have to multiply the numerator with the same number. Okay? So 9 by 20 minus 5 by 20. So students, now we have converted it into the proper fraction. So the solution is, write the denominator once and 9 minus 5. It is basically 4 by 20. 4 by 20. So students, anything common between 4 by 20? Yes. 20 comes in the table of 4. So we can divide it with 4. You have to see if there is anything common. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So 1 by 5 is the answer of this given fraction. Okay, so students, we have done with the subtraction. In the next video I will show how mixed fractions are added and subtracted. Okay, so for more videos, like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.